Hello, and welcome to Desigo Optic, Template Wizard, Bulk Import. When using Template Wizard, we need to go to Settings, then to Extensions, and then enable Template Wizard extensions, and also Siemens Global DXR templates. In a previous video, we showed how to auto-discover what you used in Template Wizard. This is where we are going to mass import using the Template Wizard feature. On the desktop I saved this file, which shows the site name, vendor ID, and vendor name. What we want to do first is copy this file, which was converted from an Excel to a text file. But even in the Excel file, you can go ahead and select all the devices in there. The file provides the site name, the vendor name, the room name, and it's going to take all that information and populate it into the data. If we look at it also from the site, you will see that bulk import from CSV, which you can also populate and put that data in, and then put it into this section. But we are going to select Copy to Clipboard. To do so, we are going to our text file again and copy all that data. And we are going to paste it in. Then we hit OK, and it is going to populate all this information, exactly what applications are being used. These are US applications, but we could also populate this with global applications. Next, we are going to put the templates on top of it. Now once it is finalized, as you can see, it is going to apply the template. It sees the application numbers and applies the templates. This is where we make sure and confirm that the templates are correct, and if the templates were not correct, we could change it from right here. We next put Create Database. And now it has been completed. And we hit Done. Now, if we go to DB Builder, under the Equip tree you'll see a BG test site. And on this BG test site, we have all our floors and all our equipment has been brought in. Here you'll see that it's referencing graphics, like for the air handling unit, but the graphic has not been created yet. It creates a file for us to go ahead and create that graphic. But the VAV graphics have been created based on the application. This is just a demonstration, there is not going to be any values that come in. You will also see all the points we got tagged, not only the equipment. Here you will see the equipment has been tagged with the proper tag. Fan powered, hot water reheat, VAV. The points are also tagged, and the critical points are also being trended. And that would go for the whole building as we brought it in through the CSV file. We see we have fan coil units. We have floor 3 with our heat pumps, and then we have floor 4 which has a chilled beam. Let's go back to that BG test site and make the context. If we then go into O&M documentation, you will see all the applications have their own sequence of operations. So we have all the sequence of operations brought in. As we go down to a piece of equipment, for example to a chilled beam, and then we go to the O&M documentation, you will see that chilled beam has its own documentation. That is how we would bring in all the projects. If we know everything that is coming into the project, this is a quick way of creating that whole Equip tree, and then building out the graphics for our application devices. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in one of our next videos about Desigo Optic.